I'm feeling unhappy. I just try to think of nice things.
What kind of things?
Oh, well, let me see. Nice things. Gender roles. Being at home. Pies and jam jars. Know what my place is. I'm stuck in the kitchen. Never a rebel to show opposition. Give birth on average each 43 weeks. Do not argue, just agree when he speaks. Do not leave home, just take care of the children. Keep them from public school woke education. Teach them to shoot, hate blacks, and be extreme. Number one rule, do not teach them to think. Girls, stick with dresses with no splits for flashes. And when you grow, you just bat your eyelashes. You will get husbands, then have your babies. This waits for you, you can be just like me. Yes, I'm far right, and these teachings might sound kind of bad. I simply remember my husband is king and forget the rights once had.
Does it really work?
Of course it does. You tried. What things do you like?
Manifestos, tariffs, marital status,
Guns!
no higher education,
Homeschool!
picking fights, sonograms,
Modest clothing!
crazy zealots. Do you say guns? No vaccines.
Gesundheit! See what fun it is? Know what your place is, your role is birth given. Men are the masters and women in kitchens. And if there's violence, stay for the kids. You don't belong to you, rather you're his. Single cat ladies are no good, get married. Breed well, hope like hell that you won't miscarry. Choice is not mine with my womb or body. Out of my hands in the land of the free. Oh, together! Hating the gays, woke and immigrant masses. Snowflakes who won't say they know what woman is. Couldn't be simpler, just look at me. Please the man, have kids the way it should be. Be a quiet wife.